Let's go to Cassidy.
And guys, he's getting a lot of congratulations because, Jayson, a season-high 54 points for you. You've talked a lot about how you feel like this team is playing with a lot more passion. You showed that throughout this one in your scoring and your playmaking. How would you sum up this performance for you today?
It's fun the way we playing. Obviously, we've been on a good stretch. Everybody's been healthy, and we're just having fun competing. And you know, it wasn't always pretty today, but you know, everybody contributed, and we just figured it out. And those are the best wins when you just figure it out, find a way to win, however, you know, whatever it takes. And that's what we did.
And you seem to be really figuring it out. This is your 4th career 50-point game, tying Larry Bird for most in Celtics history. How confident are you in your skill set at 24 years of age?
Very confident. You know, this is what I dreamed about as a kid, and you know, worked my whole life to get to. And obviously, I got a long way to go, a long way of what I'm trying to accomplish. But staying in the moment and just enjoying it, having the fun, doing what I love every day. You know, and I'm blessed.
You just beat a team with a lot of expectations. Do you feel like this team has found its identity? And if so, what is it?
It starts on the defensive end. We gave up 120 points today, but, you know, that's probably the most talented offensive team in the league. But that's what we hang our hat on, is defense. And if we want to be successful, you know, that's where it's going to start.
Congrats on the win, Jayson.
Appreciate you.
Back to you.
Another day at the office for Jayson Tatum. 54 points at 24 years old. Here's a look at the standings. Boston now 39 and 27. Brooklyn falling to 32 and 33. Sub 500 with all those expectations.
Just one word, 39 points in his last 2 fourth quarters. When the game has been in the balance, he's delivered.
Tap for everybody from Jayson Tatum.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming, sports, and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.